XPENG is stepping beyond electric vehicles and moving full throttle into humanoid robotics with the introduction of Iron, a robot that looks like it was lifted straight out of a science fiction film. This is not just a concept. Iron is already active inside XPENG's electric vehicle factory, helping guide production lines and even showing customers around the showroom. Iron stands at about 1.73 meters tall and weighs around 70 kilograms. It moves with more than 60 joints and offers up to 200 degrees of freedom, giving it smooth and human-like movements. But it is not just the body that is impressive. The real magic happens in the brain, where XPENG's powerful Turing AI chip processes 30 billion parameters with an astonishing performance rate of 3,000 tops. This setup makes the robot capable of adapting quickly, learning new tasks, and interacting naturally with people. Equipped with a 720-degree eagle-eye vision system and full-body tactile sensing, Iron sees and responds to its environment in ways that feel remarkably lifelike. Its hands are designed with 22 degrees of freedom and mimic human hand proportions, allowing it to perform tasks with surprising finesse. Inside XPENG showrooms, Iron is already engaging customers, offering interactive walkthroughs of the latest models like the MONA M03 and P7+. It is part product specialist, part futuristic guide. Beyond that, XPENG is aiming for L3-level humanoid robot capabilities and plans to begin mass production by 2026. This kind of innovation blurs the line between machines and people. XPENG is not just building robots. They are rethinking how artificial intelligence can work side by side with us, both in factories and in everyday life.
Hi there, I'm Iron, your product specialist today. Let's take a quick tour of our AI-powered vehicles. Meet the MONA M03 Max, the game changer bringing premium AI driving assistance under 150,000 RMB, making every journey effortless. Over 600 liters, packed camping gear, road trip essentials, even your extra large luggage for your fancy trip. It's like a stealth superhero. No one suspects this affordable ride hides SUV-level practicality. Right behind me is our brand new G7, the ultimate AI-powered SUV. It's packing not one, not two, but 3 Turing AI chips. True point-to-point, intelligent driving. From your driveway to any parking spot, effortlessly. And the space? Huge. Seriously, the rear headroom is incredibly generous. Plenty of space even for tall adults. Your dream vehicle is coming. The XPENG P7 steals hearts with its coupe looks. That potent spoiler isn't just for show. 0.206. Drive coefficient cuts energy hunger to 11.4 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Pretty impressive, right? Let me know which model caught your eye. For your information, don't get any ideas about me.